Good morning and welcome to Dream Drive. The weather outside, it's just perfect. It's more spring than winter. It's very sunny and it's very dry. I think it's a perfect opportunity for me to take my brother's Abarth 124GT for a spin and try to spot some cool cars. Let's go. You join me at the city center. As you can see, the weather is perfect. It's sunny, it's dry. This is the perfect winter Sunday to take your supercar out. So for us spotting and willing to see some of these beauties, this is the perfect opportunity. Let's see if we can catch something nice and fancy today. Fun fact about this hardtop in this Abarth is actually that you have more space, more headroom inside the car. So it's a better place to be with the closed roof. However, if we just have the normal Spider version with this kind of weather, even if it's, I don't know, it's 6 degrees Celsius, so I think it's the perfect weather to move around without the roof, even so. This 911 Turbo S, which is nice. Yeah, it's going in front of us, perfect. And as you can see, as always, the number plates on 911s are always spot on. I'm not a fan of black cars, though. I think you just miss the point of having nicely spec or nice car in terms of lines. But yeah, 911 Turbo S, it's always nice to spot one, like here. GLC 63S, very daily one. Yeah, probably just normal daily. And there's the Porsche Cayman GT4 in this nice blue finish. And somewhere here we have to try to find another spot. AMG GT-S 63. And 911 Turbo alongside Megane RS. Yeah, the Turbo is still nice. And there she goes, the GT3 and GR Yaris in the custom livery. And the GT3 RS, the 991 version, so the previous one, in this lizard green. That's it. Look at those clothes. Gold wheels, perfect. What a spec. Looks more than nice. And few cars in front of us. There is BMW M5 E39. It's black one. I love this generation. Oh, you could possibly spot the taillight. Yeah, I love this car. You can probably remember the short movie series with Cliff Owen featuring various BMW cars. I will link it below in the description of the video, but I highly recommend you check this one with BMW M5, so just to get the idea how crazy the marketing was back then. And the stunt drivers, they were just amazing in this. Nice Audi RS5. I like this combo of green car and the gold wheels, or goldish in case. It's kind of matte gold, which is even better. But I like this combination, I think it really suits. CLS 55 AMG. This view is quite nice, isn't it? Sunny weather, huge wing on the 911 GT3 RS. Even in white, I think this car looks nice. And we can probably try to hear some of its magic. Let's hope it takes off. Nice. This Audi R8 in the nice red paint. And that's it. That was our very briefly short, quick Sunday ride with Carspotting elements. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the weather, you enjoyed the car that we spotted. I also saw one Ferrari 488 that I didn't have on my video, but here you have the photo. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a nice day. Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos, more dream drives, more adventures and more content to go. Thank you for today and have a nice one. Bye bye.